welcome to MaiMoments, the best channel for makeup and hair tutorial and also products review. Today I'm going to share with you a DIY lip scrubs. Yes, you don't always have to buy the stuff at the store if you can make it at home, which is very natural and not artificial. So let's get started. The first products that you need is a small bowl. Let's start with the main ingredients that will help you to take away your dead skin. Pour 1 tablespoon of sugars. Next ingredients is 1 tablespoon of honey. This is going to help gather all the ingredients together and stick, so it's going to be easier for you to use as a scrubs. The benefit of honey is rich in antioxidants and antibacterial. Plus, if you accidentally get in your mouth, it still tastes good. Since honey is pretty sticky, use a smaller spoon to actually sweep out all the ingredients that stick inside the tablespoon. The next part, you do have 3 options. Either you're going to use coconut oil, shea butters, or Vaseline. And I can only find Vaseline inside my house. That's why I'm going to pour 1 teaspoon inside the bowl. Next part, you also have 3 options. Either going to be coconut oil, olive oil, or sweet almond oil. Pour 1 teaspoon, but I do recommend you just go ahead and pour 1/2. 1 teaspoon is too much. Go ahead and mix all the ingredients together until it creates a thick paste. Then pour the lip scrub into an empty container so you can store it to use it later at any time or anywhere that you need. There you go, it is a very simple DIY and also fun, plus you get the satisfactions for creating your own beauty products. Let's test this baby out, shall we? I'm going to apply the scrub to my lips and rub it gently for 2 to 3 minutes. You can use a windshield motions or you can use a circling motions. If you have chapped lips or your skin is about to peel off, I found using a circling motions will definitely help to take that piece of skin off rather than you peel it off and then it will bleed like crazy. If you found your finger to not be effective taking out your dead skin, you can always use a towel, a cloth, or a cotton ball and apply the lip scrubs and scrub it against your lips. This is going to fasten the process and help you to take all your dead skin off. Just in case if you rub too hard on your lips and it ends up bleeding, don't try to continue rubbing, clean it up, and then you can do it again tomorrow when your lips is already healed. After you have exfoliated with the lip scrubs, you'll definitely want to add moisture back. I'm using a Carmex Classic Lip Balm. This product is absolutely amazing. I enjoy it very much since I was little, and I was one of those kids always have issues of like getting really chapped and dry lips because I did not drink water as much, and also I have like allergies, so when my running nose kicked in, oh my gosh, I use like tissue paper like crazy or even napkin, so it's always rub against like this top part of lips and it's really hurt. Using this is going to soothenings and also hydrating that area. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell for more notifications, and as always, love yourself, stay motivated, peace out.